Welcome to Emmelac Online Tutorials. We look at WAEC 2026 Further Maths Objective Question 1. If x is equals to the matrix 2, 3, 1, 4, then y 1, 5, 0, 3, and z 6, negative 1, 1, and 2. Find 5x minus 2y plus 2z. So how do you go about it? This is just easy. So all you just need to do here is to take cognizance of this. So this implies 5 then times the matrix of x, which is what, 2, 3, 1, 4, then minus 2 times the matrix of y, so which is 1, 5, 0, 3, then plus 2 by the matrix of z, which is 6, negative 1, 1, and 2. Next thing we need to do is to do the scalar multiplication, where we multiply 5 with what is in the matrix, 2 here with what's in the matrix, and these 2 with what is in the matrix. So here we have, this is going to be 10, then 15, 5, and 20. The next one here, you have 2, 10, 0, and 6. Then here we have 12, negative 2, 2, and 4. So all we just need to do is to now evaluate this expression here. Okay, so all we just need to do, you take 10 here, okay, 10 minus 2 plus 12, then that gives us 20. Then the next one here is 15 plus 15 minus 10, that will give us 5. Then 5 plus negative 2 will give us 3. So here we have 3. The next one is 5, okay, minus 0 is 5, then plus 2, that should give us 7. And the next one is 20 minus 6, that is 14, then 14 plus 4 should give us 18. So here we have 18. Okay, so this is the answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.